right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We have some breaking inputs coming in. A face-off is being reported between the BJP leaders and workers and the Kolkata police. In fact, visuals on the screens right now of the BJP, I believe, Karyakartas who were protesting, which led to a clash, a face-off between the Kolkata cops and the BJP. Tapas is joining us from where this is being reported. Over to you, Tapas. Tell us what's happening.
Well, see, we are standing here at Sham Bazaar 5 Points, and here the BJP had planned to stage a dharna manch, and police have primarily not allowed them. Now they had brought in some temporary structures to erect a stage here, but police have not allowed them. And now you can see the BJP supporters and the leaders are being taken into prison van. Couple of prison vans have been brought in at Sham Bazaar 5 Points, and you can see the Mahila supporters of the BJP are being taken away in prison van, and the police have said that since there is no permission granted to this protest, it's illegal to obstruct the road, and hence they will continue to stop them from taking any rally or sit in protest here in Sham Bazaar. If I can show you, the Mahila wing of the BJP have sat on ground and they are not ready to leave the stage, but now they are being pulled by the Kolkata police officials and they will be taken into prison van. In one prison van, the male members of the BJP have already been taken away, and it's a chaotic situation here. Shukanto Majumdar, the state president, is yet to arrive, and everyone was waiting for his presence, but he is yet to arrive. But other senior leadership of the BJP had also come. If I can show you here, in another prison van, they were taken away. They are being taken away, and see, the BJP supporters have laid bamboos on road. They will not allow this prison van to go any further. These are the BJP protesters protesting. The bamboos have been laid on ground, on road, and they are obstructing the police van from venturing any further. But police is trying to move ahead. But see, the bamboos are being laid under the vehicle, the police prison van. Agnimitra Paul, the Agnimitra Paul, senior leader of the BJP, she has come and she is trying to remove the bamboos here. Overall, it's a very, very chaotic situation right now. It seems that police's prison van will be allowed to move ahead. If I can come across here, Mitra Paul, senior leader of the BJP, is here.
ममता बनर्जी साइलेंस करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं. क्लियर पिक्चर. आज हम लोग जो प्रतिवाद कर रहे हैं, ममता बनर्जी बोल रहे हैं हम भी चाहते हैं कि फांसी हो, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो चाहते नहीं है. आज हम लोग মমতা ব্যানার্জির পুলিশ আমাদের মুখ বন্ধ করতে চাইছে সেটাই আজকে দেখলেন. আমরা কোনো কিছু করিনি, আমাদের মঞ্চ বেলা একটা পিসফুল প্রোটেস্ট সেটা করতে দেওয়া.
Will the protest continue?
Of course, our protest will continue. We are going to the High Court. Our protest will continue. Heaven or hell, the world can fall apart, but BJP will protest for Abaya.
Well, she clearly stated that the BJP is contemplating on going to High Court and decide and request the High Court to grant them permission. But as of now, the BJP leaders and supporters are being taken.
Right, Tapas, stay on with us. Cops say permission not taken for protest. The protesters are being taken in prison vans. You just heard Agnimitra Paul speak to the media there and allege that Mamata Banerjee is trying to silence us. TMC wants the rapists to escape. Let's go back to Tapas. It's a lot of drama unfolding there. BJP workers protesting, leaders hitting the streets, the cops denying them the protest, saying permissions were not taken.
See, the stage was first not allowed, and when the structures were brought in to build temporary stages, they were not allowed, and now the BJP supporters and leaders. Well, see, what they are saying that the BJP supporters are saying that they are pulling off all the items they brought in, but despite that, they are being taken into custody. This is a female BJP leader who have been also detained by Kolkata police. It's a high drama going on here at Sham Bazaar. 7.1 after the other. The BJP supporters and leaders
day
are
of
being
protest,
detained
not just the
by
BJP. We're
Kolkata
given to understand that the Chief Minister is also going to hit the streets to protest, and the Chief Minister is demanding a fast-paced probe by the CBI. So all of this stuff is happening in the name of justice, in the name of ensuring that safe and secure environment is given to the doctors, but a lot of politics also around it. Let me go across to Pooja for more on this. Pooja, over to you. BJP workers being taken away from the protest site by the cops. Okay, I believe we are losing that line with Pooja again and again. Network issues perhaps. Let me go back to Tapas. Tapas, if you are with us, multiple visuals now coming in. One of the BJP workers trying to stay on dharna, and then you have the cops coming in, taking them away in the prison van, saying that you have not taken permission for these protests to take place. But it's a day of protest in West Bengal, and what we're witnessing right now is outrage in the entire country, especially among the medical fraternity.
Well, yes, absolutely. It's a day of protest across the nation, but in West Bengal, it's a high political drama on the street. In one hand, the BJP, on the other hand, the Trinamool Congress. The TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee will hit the street at 4 p.m. She will take out a rally, but now, as of now, BJP's planned protest and rally was planned here at Sham Bazaar, which was denied permission. And now you see a senior leader of the BJP, Umesh Rai, have also been taken into prison van. They all have been detained, and this road remains to be a very busy road. The female protesters are also being pulled inside the prison van, and they're not allowed. The police continuously saying that they will not allow, since permission have not been given. But Agnimitra Paul have stated that they are contemplating on going and knocking the door of the Calcutta High Court and seek permission for the protest. And perhaps this is not for the first time in yesteryears.
They're going to move High Court now, but also alleging at the same time that this arrangement put in place of the cops denying them the right to protest is in fact nothing but an attempt to silence their voices. We also have Pooja now on the broadcast. Pooja, over to you.
Well, absolutely. I'll take you through the visuals. This is a very place where BJP leader and minister Shukanto Majumdar and other BJP leaders were to stage a dharna against the Arjikar Medical College, the rape and murder horror, and these are the materials that were brought in to construct the stage where they were to protest. But as Kolkata police had denied them permission, the leaders who were trying to, construct the stage here were detained by police. You can see some of the BJP Karyakarta here are sitting, and we saw the visuals how the police officials here were trying to detain them and take them away in the prison van. I'll take you through more visuals here. There are a couple of prison vans here, and you can see how BJP workers and leaders were detained by the police and are in fact now being taken away. Police is saying that they will not let them construct the stage here where they were to stage a dharna, and also not let them stage the dharna here, citing that they have not been granted permission. But the leaders are adamant. They are saying that they are going to stage a dharna here no matter what. But police and the cops trying to tell them that they can't because the permission was denied to them.
Permission denied, says TMC, the BJP workers. Cops say that they never took permission for the protest. They're not allowing them to erect a stage where the BJP leaders were supposed to stage a dharna. And now what you're witnessing on the streets is a face-off, a clash between the police, the Kolkata cops, and the BJP workers who are being taken away from the protest site in prison vans. Protest after protest. That's what you're witnessing in the entire country. Let me go back to Tapas now. Tapas, what's happening on ground at the moment? Are BJP leaders, BJP workers still there, or have they all been taken away now?
Well, yes, the BJP workers and the female members of the BJP party are still protesting. If I can show you, Rupa Ganguly have also come in to participate in this protest, and she's all set to join the protest as well. Police have denied permission. And if I, Rupa di,
वही तो उनका नौटंकी की जरूरत क्या है? वो अपना ड्रामाबाजी बंद करके इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पूरी डिपार्टमेंट को मदद करने के लिए बोलना चाहिए.
once again the BJP have been denied permission to hold a rally and a single.
কাকে টেনে নিচে নিয়ে যাওয়া হচ্ছে চল আমি দেখি
Well, Rupa Ganguly have come in and just now, and she is also set to participate in the dharna rally at the moment. You can see she's speaking to the Mahila supporters of the BJP. On the other hand, the prison van remains to be intact with the BJP supporters. Some of them have already been taken away. But Rupa Ganguly says under any circumstances she will not budge. But
Right, so this is the Mahila Morcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party that is protesting. Let me go back to Pooja. Rupa Ganguly has also reached there. Multiple BJP leaders now hitting the streets to, of course, support their workers who are being dragged away by the cops now, saying they have not taken permission for the protest. It's illegal gathering.
Well, absolutely. We spoke to the Kolkata police officials and they said that they sought permission very late in the night and it was not possible for the police to grant them permission. And also considering the present situation at Arjikar Medical College and Hospital, which is in the vicinity, they are not being able to grant them permission. But what you see behind me are the BJP workers and leaders who are currently sitting on the ground and refusing to, leave the street where they arrived. But now we're taking it to the visuals. There is a huge contingent of police which has just arrived here. Remember that police was outnumbered here. There were a huge number of BJP workers and leaders. So you can see in the visuals there are officials who have arrived with dandas and the sticks and the shield, helmet, everything. So we're expecting there could be another standoff between the BJP workers and the police. And you can see there is a prison van which has been placed here. So we can tell that these workers will be dragged away and will be taken away and be detained. So at this point in time, the senior official trying to speak to them and tell them that they will have to vacate the road because they do not have permission to stage a dharna here. But the BJP workers who are here are refusing to budge and they're saying that they will continue with their protest and they will continue with their dharna. But clearly, there is a standoff situation that exists between the BJP workers
Absolutely.
and the police.
The entire country, in fact, today is asking questions that the Calcutta High Court has also posed, that the police could not avoid the violence that was witnessed. But today you see